one man. Will he shine against his former club? We're live next, so don't go anywhere. Well, if you like an old-time football feel, this is the place for you. We're in South London at Selhurst Park. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for expert analysis by my partner Stuart Robson. And with the Premier League season about to reach its conclusion, we're just minutes away from kick-off time. It's Crystal Palace taking on Chelsea.
Well, what a season it's been, Derek. We've seen everything. Drama at both ends of the table, some spectacular goals and plenty of entertainment. The players, of course, will be looking forward to a break now, but hopefully not before they give us a good game today.
Well, this is the team Crystal Palace have picked.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 formation with a centre-forward and two wingers. So it's important that the midfield players give support to the striker whenever the ball goes wide. They can't allow him to be isolated.
Firing it in. Yes, and it goes! A healthy lead, and they can only throw away the title now.
Well, they've been fantastic all season, and today just rubber stamps it. Just need to see it out now.
And they get the ball moving again. Can Palace come up with an answer here? And plenty of room in the wide area. He could pick out a teammate. Oh, terrific save.
Well, you're absolutely right. That's a top-class save. Just look how he reacts.
Good movement. Oh, a nice-looking pass. Well, it was close, but offside nonetheless.
Well, it's a matter of inches there, but he just went a fraction too early.
Well, we can say it officially now. We'll be watching the champions today. The title secured in their last match. What a terrific position to be in, Stuart.
Well, they can certainly enjoy this one, Derek. What a great season they've had. They've been the best team in the league, no doubt about that for me.
Far from a good pass. Well, they must exercise caution standing off as they are. He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. Well, they've won possession back. What can they do from here? He's got the right idea with that pass. The pressure...